Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create really cool product images using xDesign.com here. So you can either use the template that they have or you can select AI background generator. And I'm just going to select this image of like a perfume here, perfume bottle. And basically you can select the color here, just a solid color. You can use studio backdrop here, handheld maybe, window side, on the floor, on the wall. There's also some ChatGPT backgrounds, some natural scenes that you can use for it. For instance, this. And then select generate. I don't think I have credits for this, but you're just going to select it. As you can see, this is what it could look like. I guess you can kind of like adjust the images to here to kind of fit the setting and make it so that the size isn't off. Then you're just going to select generate here, and then just take a few seconds, so just be patient. Okay, it should be at 100% right now. I don't know what's taking so long. Maybe like the lighting. But that should be it really. Obviously there's a lot of this you can choose from. And I guess the first one's free. I mean, I can generate it, but it's just taking such a long time to generate. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you're done, you can just press the download button. But as you can see, for me, it's still generating. Oh, actually, it should be done. It's at 99%. This is just the zoom rate. What am I talking about? But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oh, here it is. This is the final result. Sorry it took so long. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.